I've been an employee for 5 months now. Everyone has been really friendly and I get along with them great. Initially, I was intimidated going from something I was familiar with to something different, but Carlson has made that transition much easier than I imagined.
So far it's been great. You know, within the first week, everybody's calling you by your name. You get to talk to the general manager, the owner comes walking around. It's just a great homey experience so far.
It's been really refreshing. Everyone's been very welcoming. The area and everything is very clean. The commute is great. The town is great. It's just a really nice company to work for. We really feel appreciated.
It's awesome, man. It's one of a kind. You know, I feel the love here. I feel that everyone is genuine and helpful. It makes it easier, working an 8 to 10-hour work day. It's like, you're basically living there with these guys. So it makes it a lot easier when everyone is friendly. So I like that most about Carlson too. And also the growth aspect of here too. You're able to grow. So I like that a lot.